of the foods you eat every day may be quietly damaging your body, not instantly, not overnight, but slowly, silently, and consistently. And the scary part is this: you may think they are normal, even safe, but today we are going to open our eyes together. Hello beautiful people, welcome to Empress Recipes. Today we are talking about 10 foods that secretly damage your health. This is not about fear, this is about awareness, because once you know better, you can do better. Let me ask you a question. Are you eating to fill your stomach or to nourish your body? Let's begin. Number one secret food damaging your body is 1. Excess sugar. Sugar is everywhere. Sugar is in our tea, bread, snacks, and drink. The issue is not sugar itself, it is the excessive sugar. When you take too much sugar, this is what happens to your body. Your energy rises quickly, then crashes suddenly. You feel tired again. Over time, it can affect your weight balance, energy levels, and overall body function. Sugar is like borrowing energy from tomorrow. You feel good now, but pay later. Number 2 is processed foods. These are food that are far from their natural form. Examples are instant noodles, packaged snacks, and processed meats. These foods often contain preservatives, additives, artificial flavors. They are convenient but not always nourishing. It's like eating something that looks like food, but your body struggles to recognize it. Now let's talk about something we all use daily. 3. Too much salt. Salt is necessary for the body, but too much salt can be harmful. Hidden salt is found in seasoning cubes, canned food, and fast foods. Too much salt can cause the following effect: water retention, strain on the body, and imbalance in the system. Salt is like seasoning in life. Too much can ruin the whole meal. Now, this next one is very common and very tempting. Number 4, fried foods. Fried foods are delicious, but they come with a cost, especially when oil is reused or overheated. Fried food cause effects such as add excessive fat, slow digestion, can make you feel very heavy. Fried foods are like putting extra load on your system. Your body works harder to process them. Now let's talk about something many people drink daily. 5. Artificial drink. These include soft drink, flavored juice, and energy drinks. They often contain high sugar, artificial colors, and chemical additives. Here is the twist. Artificial drink tastes good, but they offer little real nourishment. It is like watering your body with empty liquids. No real benefits, just temporary satisfaction. But we are not done yet. Some food looks healthy but are not. Number 6, refined carbohydrates. Examples are white bread, pastries, refined flour products. The problem with refined carbohydrate is that it has low fiber, quick digestion, and it leads to energy crash. It's like quick fuel that burns out too fast. Now let's talk about something many people ignore. 7. Overprocessed meat. Examples are sausages, hot dogs, preserved meat. This often contains preservative and excess salt. Number 8. Too much oil. Even good oil can become harmful in excess. The problem with too much oil is that it adds unnecessary calories and makes food heavy. Number 9. Leftover reheated oil. Each time you reheat oil, it loses its natural quality. It starts forming harmful substance. It becomes thicker and darker. It may develop a burnt smell. Think of it like this. Oil is like clean water. If you keep using the same water to wash dirty things again and again, eventually that water becomes dirty and unsafe. That is exactly what happens with oil. When you consume food cooked in repeated heated oils, it becomes harder for the body to process. It may affect digestion. It adds unnecessary stress to the body. Over time, frequent consumption of such food is not ideal for overall health. Number 10. Excessive snacking. Many people think snacking is harmless, but when it becomes constant, it can affect how your body works. When you eat too frequently, your digestive system is always working, your body does not give it time to rest. Food keeps coming in before the previous one is processed. Think of your stomach like a washing machine. If you keep adding clothes every minute, it never gets the chance to finish one full cycle. That's exactly what happens when you snack all the time. Let me say this clearly and let it sink in. The problem is not eating those food once in a while. The real problem is eating them every day without awareness. Many people think it's just small. It's just today. It doesn't matter. But the truth is, small habit repeated daily becomes big result over time. Think of it like this. If you pour a little dirt into clean water every day, one day that water will no longer be clean. That is exactly how daily habit affects the body. Now, this is what you should do. Not extreme dieting, not fear, but balance. Moderation is key. Start with simple steps. Eat more natural food. Foods closer to their original form, fruits, vegetables, and whole meal. Drink more water. This helps your body stay fresh and support digestion. Reduce gradually. Don't rush. Small, consistent changes are more powerful than sudden changes. Balance your meals. Don't just eat to feel full. Eat to nourish your body. At the end of the day, your body is the only place you have to live in. Take care of it, protect it, respect it. Thank you for watching today's video. If you truly learned something from this video, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone you love, and subscribe to Empress Recipes for more simple health wisdom. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy. See you in my next video.